How to check Google Form responses. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can check up the responses for your Google Form that you've created. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you can directly head over to the Google Forms, and once you open it up, you can head over to the forms in which you want to see the responses to. For example, I am opening up this form. So once you open up the form, you will be finding in the form you'll be finding questions, and along with the responses exactly what we are looking for. So you can head over to the responses tab, and right now we have one response available. So here you can look up for the answers provided by that one response person provided, and once that is done, that is basically how you look up for the responses in Google Form, which is quick and easy. So you can follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.